August. For many, it's the drawing to an end of a long summer's break. It's the squeezing in of last-minute warm weather activities and to-dos. The month of August to most is an ending of sorts. But for those of us who seemingly spring to life at the mere sight of a turning leaf, the month holds a different kind of meaning. I've heard it said that August for autumn lovers is essentially the equivalent to a glorified Friday. For us, this time of year is brimming with excitement and full of anticipation for what's to come.
Ride with me, 'cause I love the open road. And when the evening sun cuts through the mountain folds, but there's nothing I love more than to see you in the front seat with my hands tied in yours. You love the morning skyline, now I love it too. You opened up my eyes right the very first day that I met you. You told me don't be scared of change, oh that I want most. 'Cause life is like a highway, it's who you're with, not where you go. Ride with me, 'cause I love the open road.
Well, good morning there, friends. As always, it is so good to see you, and I am so grateful to have you join us. So I've been kind of going back and forth inwardly as to when we were going to start our more autumnal feeling decor. Personally, I just kind of like to bring in more moodier vibes and kind of slowly layer in the little Halloween touches as we get nearer and nearer to the actual autumn season. But today, we woke up with the temperatures being quite crisp. It is still in the 60s at the moment. We've got pretty much every door and window flung open. When you walk into a room with a cross breeze, you can literally smell the crispness in the air. And with the conditions being the way that they are this morning, I figured it would be the perfect time to start bringing in all those moody vibes that we have been waiting for such a long time.
Driving south with the highway lights shining in my eyes. Used to think that this life was unkind till you walked into mine. Now I'm older, the sun is both my shoulders. Guess my mind's been broken for quite some time.
So we've managed to get down all that the girls are physically able to by themselves. The boys, believe it or not, are out bringing home a new boat. That's for a different time. So with that said, we're going to wait on their muscles to return. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and start actually decorating the kitchen, which is one of my favorite places to start anyway.
Seasons are changing, years fly by out of our control. I get stronger each day, and time is on my side. For you, time is taking its toll, and you're fading away. I guess I don't believe in heroes anymore. You're just another man from another time. I guess I don't believe in heroes anymore. I'm just another man, and I'm next in line.
It's right about this time every year that you really start to feel the tides shifting within the house. As one by one, each piece comes out and replaces the prior, the house begins to feel more and more like the home that I look forward to each and every year. The space begins to feel grounded with the addition of the layers upon layers of deep dark tones and the warm autumn-like hues are a constant reminder that my absolute favorite season is near.
And you're too much like me. I guess I don't believe in heroes anymore. You're just another man from another time. I guess I don't believe in heroes anymore. I'm just another man, and I'm next in line. I'm just another man, and I guess that's fine. I'm just another man, and I'm next in line.
So I decided the room that we are going to do next is the foyer or the entry. To me, it really makes sense to start decorating in this area because I kind of think of the foyer or the entrance of the house in terms of a book's cover. It really gives insight into what can be expected, and it kind of ultimately sets the tone and the stage for the rest of the space. I like to put a lot of attention in this area because this really is the place that is going to ultimately welcome your guest. It's the first thing that they're going to see. I really strive to make this area very cozy, comfortable, and inviting because ultimately that's the way that I want our guests to feel once they step foot in our house.
The smoke just settled down when you appeared. Your face, it made my vision crystal clear. If I miss my
If you've been around for a minute, you know we've been doing Summerween before Summerween was a thing. Ours just looked a little bit differently for me. I like to start sprinkling in towards summer's end little odd things, oddities if you will, and one of my favorite things has been the laying out of some of my antique and vintage bugs. Some of you have commented me thinking that some of them are real, but if you see a massive bug, it's likely an antique one.
Your marigold and dance. With you I dance the night away. If we keep our good intentions and sell what we don't need, then life will bring us more than we can keep. Well, even if I met you in another life, still feel like I would end up with you. You got this kind of energy that makes me smile. I just wanna settle down with you. My merry-go, your marigold, and my merry-go, your
Now I've got some major plans for this area as far as Halloween is concerned, but even for me, I think it may be a tad bit early to execute all of them. So like I said before, we're going to kind of lay down our base or foundation layer and then begin building from there as we get closer and closer to the holiday.
If I simply wanna trace you, to feel your color on my hands, and if I simply can't erase you from all my simple future plans, and if I always want to call you, to hear the softness in your voice.
So since this is the first room that we've got the complete first layer laid down, I figured tonight would be the perfect night to break it in. We don't do it as often as I would like, but Blake and I do a movie night together probably every few weekends. And once the autumn is in sight and the house starts turning over, so too do our autumn movie choices. And every time we have a movie, Blake and I usually like to do some sort of decaf coffee, and we pair it with a chocolatey dessert. And I figured since we are on the theme of autumn and fall, that we could make ourselves a spooky little dessert to go with our coffee and movie tonight. So I have quite a simple palette when it comes to desserts. The least amount of ingredients, the better. So tonight we are going to do a chocolate almond candy in the shape of these skulls.
And scrape the barrel to get by. That will simply be enough for me to find meaning in this life. We know that forever is just not long enough. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. When we say I do. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do.
I thought that was heavy. Okay. For